Hey guys, what is up? I'm back with some more videos, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a small little game. Yes, just a small little game. I sure will use some GUIs or something. GUI, yeah, thingy-jibbies. So first thing I am going to be teaching you how to make a small little road. But first, let's get you into today's channel. Go ahead in the link in the description and click the link so you can join my Discord server. Make sure you do the challenge because you may you may win giveaways. I do giveaways sometimes in the Discord. Alright, let's get into them. You're gonna click port, and when you get this, no, not here. Alright, now we have this small little thing. Let's toolbox car. Let's get this. Come on, spawn. Let's get this up. Let's get this up again. Sorry, if you didn't spawn. Come on, spawn up, everyone. Spawn up again. Spawn up. I see those spawning so far all the way over there. Wait, I did all of these same cars. Dude, kidding me? I don't want to delete this again. Alright, so as we made the core thingy GB, let's make it into size. And of course you will find a thing, you need to fix that. The reason I in developing videos I always say this, cause these things can get your game into huge bugs. You're gonna click we're gonna deal with this thing at the end. This is actually no free model road. I'm teaching to not do no free model road. We're gonna deal with that later at the end of the video. Let's close up the toolbox. Better. This side. Let's do this. Better. And now I'm going to be showing you how to do the road. No, not the road screen GUI. You click on the UI, then you click screen GUI. Then click this. What I'm doing. Oh frick. Not this. Go to GUI again. Go to textbook and put your. Come on, bro. Come on. Edits to the only and white and you can do that also. Textbook again. This is gonna be the let me finish typing. Alright, I'm done writing this GUI. Now we're gonna click this. Now we're gonna be clicking this. This is small part. This is for the thingy. This is the thing. What do you call it? I forgot. Like slow bumps. Yeah, slow bumps, I think. Come on, bro. I accidentally deleted. Okay. Now we're going to be clicking this again. This. Alright. Also, hope you guys enjoyed the video, cause right now I was supposed to go out, but I actually didn't. Oh, sure. Also, guys, if you have any bugs in your game, just DM me or yeah. Okay, so now you can see I did both of this part, and we are kinda done. Let's do it now. Team changer. Team change. CHANGER. Team changer. And let's do another feedback. Come on. Feedback. Let's do another. Ideas. Game. Ideas for game. Let's do it right over here. Okay. Take like and sub. And alright, we are almost done. So alright guys, alright guys, that we are done now. Hope this was kinda good or really thing for beginners who are not trying to copy games and make. But I do recommend some versions need to copy, like version 1, version 2, version 0.1 or something thingy GB. Alright guys, so as we are done, so this is the game. These people won't stop following me. Excuse me. Privacy please. You're breaking all the cars. Excuse me, my building. No, excuse me. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me, dude. Alright, so guys, this is the weirdest admin command thing. I gotta remove this guy. Oh wow. I think that is the weirdest. And how did you come, dude? How did you come, bro? 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 Get out of here. How did you come, bro? How did you come, bro? How did you come, bro? Oh wow, this command. Wow. You're stuck there forever. And you kid, you are too. Cause you know what? I'm gonna make you really fat and you can never ever come. Dude! Fucking. Alright, thank God. No, go there. No, there, not there. Oh God. Alright, God, you stay, I'm gonna make you the tiniest. Make you the tiny. How the fuck did you come, bro? How the hell did you come, dude? How the hell? He's beating me up. How the hell did you come, dude? How the hell did you come, bro? How the hell? How the hell? How the hell? How the frick, dude? You cannot come anymore. You cannot come anymore. You come on, let me do something. Oh fuck. Yes, he's dead. Alright guys. Let's give the tour. Let's give the tour. Fuck you so much, dude. Go. Kid. Why are you so disturbing, kid? Why are you so disturbing, kid? Alright, so this is this, guys. I feel like hacking my own game. How? Yeah. Alright. Now guys, I'm gonna end of today's video right over here. It was so fucking fuck this